everyone, welcome to another video, and this is a once human Nalcott Easter egg guide. As you can see, it is a secret food item, but it is not a mandatory recipe. And to get it, you need to unlock the specialization for it first, but this is very random, and every time you pick one for an empty slot, the choices you get will be different from the last time. But this also means that you get another set of specializations if you choose to reset one of them. And once you get the recipe, you'll need to unlock the integrated kitchen mimetic to get the crafting spec for the kitchen set. And as you can see, the list of ingredients are 60 stardust source, 15 scarlet calamus, 20 white lotus, 3 crocodile egg, and as you can see right over here, it shows it. And what are they for? They're basically like regular food, but it restores like 100 energy and hydration, but also reduces your sanity by 500. But the main reason is that whenever you get one, you'll get a random item for the settlement loot crate loot pool. And yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.